Hey everyone, this is Juna with Detour Shirts with another quick tip for you guys. And this one is for RedBubble and it is for kids clothes. So I'm in here in RedBubble and I uploaded this design which is mainly for kids. And if you go here to your standard printing and you hit edit, you'll have to click on this right here. I think originally you can get the colors, but make sure you click on this checkbox, and availability, you can see kids clothes by default is not checked. So make sure to check that. That I knew. This is something that I missed, and that is the default. So by default, if we click on here, the short sleeve baby one piece is default at white. So if you didn't click this default, that's what you would see. And most of the time, unless you're doing baby clothes, that's not what you want to see. You want to see more of a toddler type size. And these are the options you have here. You have short sleeve baby one piece, long sleeve baby one piece, baby t-shirt, and kids shirt. I'll show you what those look like here. And of course you can pick all the colors right here. So I'm gonna pick kids t-shirt. That's what I want this to be for someone that's younger, maybe in kindergarten, ages 5 to 10 or something like that. And I'm gonna make sure that it's on white, but I could put it on, you know, a colored shirt as well. So maybe light pink, okay? And I'm gonna hit apply changes. And now when I look at it, that's what the default's gonna be. Make sure to hit apply changes here and then scroll down. So when you get down to this point, what you wanna do is, you can see I have it optimized. I think that's by default as well. You're gonna wanna pick the kids clothes right here, kids clothes. And because we picked that shirt, that kids t-shirt, this is what is going to show up in the search results. My kids clothes on pink on that side. So let me show you what that looks like. So now when somebody looks up that phrase, very cute strawberry, on RedBubble, and they scroll down, they'll see my t-shirt instead. You'll see it right here. And now this is the default because I made sure that I selected the pink and the kids shirt, and then the default product, which will be this. Now you may wanna, if you have something like this, the sticker is a little bigger, but again, if you're targeting t-shirts, this might be the one that you're wanting to use. So that's your quick tip for RedBubble. So if you are selling kids t-shirts, make sure to enable those. Hopefully this video is really helpful for you. Thanks again for watching. And your question of the day is this: what other RedBubble tips do you want to learn about? Leave those in the comments. And as always, guys, keep creating and keep learning. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.